What's up guys, I'm Iman and welcome to Imo's Planet. So today I'm going to show you how to change your PC cursor. For this you don't need any kind of software and you can change it with your PC setting. And you can use your new cursor without any lag. Yes, you can use it smoothly. So let's check out how can we do it. I hope you will enjoy. So to change your PC cursor, you have to go to the control panel first. So if you want to go to the control panel, move your cursor at the right corner of your PC and then you can see something pop-ups. After pop-ups this, go to the settings, here it is, and then you can see here is the control panel option. Click on it and then go to the control panel. And after going to the control panel, if you can see something like this. If you don't get something like this, if you get this, then you have to go to another way. So you can see here is the option view by category. Click on it and then go to the small icons, this one. Click on it and then it will take you to here. After going here, you can see here is a small mouse option. Click on it and then something pop-ups. So you can see there are many settings to do, but don't go anywhere, only go to the pointers. And then you can see here, from here you can see the cursor for your PC. So let me show you first. So this is the default cursor of this PC, Windows default system scheme. This is the default cursor of this PC. Now I am going to change this. So I will select this one and you can see it will, here is a review of the cursor. You can see the review from here. Now let me show you some more. There are many type of cursors in here. You can select whatever you like. So now as example, I am going to select this one, BD Blue. You can see it's an awesome cursor, so I like it. So after selecting that, click on the apply button and then click on the OK. And then you can see your new cursor is selected. So you can use it without any type of lag. Let me show you. I can go to the computer and anywhere without any lag, and you can see it. I can move it without any lag. It is very quick and easy to do, and you can use it without any lag. That's very good, right? So now let me change it again. So I will go to the control panel. Here is the control panel. Then I will go to the mouse and then this setting will pop up. Now I will go to the pointers and then I will select a new cursor. So as example, this one. Select this and then click on the apply. And if you get something like this, then click on the yes. After that, click on the OK. And then you can see your new cursor is selected. You can use it and you can go to anywhere without any type of lag. You can use it for free and it is good. It is very good. You can use it without any lag. That's very great, right? So I will change it to my default cursor. So I will go to the settings, control panel, and then mouse. So here is the mouse. So something pop up like this. I will go to the pointers and I will select the default pointer. I mean default cursor. So this one, Windows default system scheme. I will click on it and you can see the review. I will click on the apply and then OK. And then you can see my default cursor is selected now, and now I can use my default cursor. So by this you can change your PC cursor without any software and without lag. That's very great. So if you get any type of problem and any error, then please leave it in the comment. I will try to give any solution of that. And if you want anything more from me, then also leave it in the comment. I will try to make a video on that. So enjoy my videos. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.